What's the meaning of charge? Charge. Charge.
Charge. Charge. The word charge can have several meanings depending on the context in which it is used. One common meaning is to demand payment for goods or services provided. Another meaning is to take responsibility for a task or duty, or to be in charge of a group or organization. In physics, charge refers to the property of matter that causes it to experience a force when placed in an electromagnetic field. Overall, charge typically implies some kind of action or obligation, whether it be financial, managerial, or physical.